Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. In this question, we find the value of x. So the question is x square plus x is equal to 17 plus square root of 17. We just find the value of x. Now look at the left hand side of this equation. If we substitute x is equal to under root of 17, then right hand side and left hand side both equal. Now if we substitute x is equal to under root of 17 in the above equation, then this will become a under root of 17 square because of x square plus x, and we replace x by 17. So and the right hand side is 17 plus square root of 17. Now this cancel square root and square, then this will become a 17 plus square root of 17 is equal to 17 plus square root of 17. So this implies that the one answer of x must be a under root of 17. Okay, and it is a quadratic equation, so there must be a two answer in the quadratic equation, as you know. So one answer is under root of 17. So we write one answer or one root. We replace x by alpha. So we can say alpha is equal to square root of 17. This is the one answer of our quadratic equation. We just find the value of another root or answer. Now here we use a sum formula. As you know, in a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The sum of roots is equal to sum of roots is equal to we can write a sum of root as a alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now look at our question. We find the value of a and b. Now look at the question. The value of a is 1 and b is also 1. So sum of root is equal to 1 over 1. In the formula minus b by a, so we write a minus. So the sum of root alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1. And we know the value of alpha, which is square root of 17. So we replace alpha by square root of 17. So this will become a 17 plus beta is equal to minus 1. And we shift this under root of 17 to right hand side of this equation. Then this will become a beta is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 17. This is the another answer of our question. Now we verify that it is satisfy our equation or not, or basically we just put the value of beta in our question. X square plus x equal to 17 plus square root of 17. Now we put the value of beta in above equation to check that this answer satisfy our equation or not. So let's start. We replace x by minus 1 minus square root of 17. So this will become a minus 1 minus square root of 17 square plus x is minus 1 minus square root of 17 is equal to 17 plus square root of 17. Now here we use a formula which is alpha plus beta whole square. You know that's equal to alpha square. So alpha is 1, then this will become a alpha or 1 square plus beta square and minus 2 alpha and beta, and we multiply this by, then we get a minus 1 minus square root of 17, and the right hand side is this. We write here 17 plus square root of 17. Now look at this, square of 1 is 1, and we cancel square by square root, then this will become a 17, and we multiply this, then we get a minus 2 square root of 17. This is minus 1 minus square root of 17 is equal to 17 plus square root of 17. Okay, now look at this, we cancel 1 and minus 1, then we get 17 and minus 2 times of square root of 17 minus 17 is equal to 17 plus square root of 17. Now look at this, so we subtract 2 times of under root 17 minus under root of 17, then we get plus square root of 17, and the right hand side is 17 plus square root of 17. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. So our answer is alpha is equal to under root of 17 and beta is minus 1 minus under root of 17, and this is the answer of x in our question.